Now you all think the Maverick could allow back-to-back Olympic sprint double champion Elaine Thomposon-Herah to run her first race of the season and be the peep over the fence and say something. And what would Elaine's season opener be without some controversy? It had some 6 to 7 big-name athletes from her former club MVP, including Tina Clayton, who were all set to run the same event, were pulled from the race, supposedly, because the meet and the event were running behind schedule. Some people say it's trying to hide the athlete them from Elaine. But we don't know. So in the end, Elaine basically had a stroll in the park against 2 opponents, winning easily in 7.15. And you know the curiosity will always be high with Elaine Thomposon-Herah. From she left MVP and she changed coach and talk up the things on Suchman podcast. Yes. And with all the unanswered questions about her injury. But can I say this? Elaine look good. Yes. She looked really sharp. One race running against herself. Some say too early for call, but the Maverick said Elaine looks good. Yes. She look good, Elaine. Big up, Elaine.